Iran is said to be in the near future, the coming days, to receive 16 Su-35 Flanker E fighter jets from Russia. Turkish military sources said this, quoted by Bulgarian military. However, this information has not received official confirmation from Iran or Russia. Tehran is expected to acquire 24 Su-35 Flanker E fighters, information circulated on its Twitter timeline. Orders for 16 fighter units are available and 8 more will follow. As has been widely reported, Iran will get the Su-35, which was originally made by Russia on an Egyptian order. Cairo cancelled the order in light of threats of sanctions from the United States. In early March, Iran's Mehr news agency reported that the Iranian Air Force had purchased 16 Su-35 fighter jets from Russia. Iran will soon have a number of advanced fighter jets within 3 months. Under the deal with Russia, the Iranian government has ordered a number of military weapons including missiles, missile defense systems and helicopters. On January 15, 2023, another Iranian news agency, Tasnim, reported that Iranian National Security Committee member Shahryar Haidari said a package of Su-35 fighter jets and another package of military weapons would be sent from Russia by the end of March. However, until early April it was not clear whether Iran had received the 4+ generation fighter jets or not. Iran and Russia have struck a number of agreements in recent months to strengthen military, energy and economic cooperation. Iran is reportedly providing weapons assistance to Russia, which is at war with Ukraine. The Shahed 136 drone is one of the drones that Tehran has allegedly supplied to Moscow, although Iran denies this.